laudable statements from Governor Among N. Panlilio and Governor Grace Padaca, Senator Rojas and Governor Padaca were among the leading nominees for our movement's candidate for the presidency. Soon after, what had been a growing support for Senator Aquino among ourselves developed into an overwhelming clamor. 82% of our members voting through text or online last Monday, September 7, 2009, manifested their support for Senator Aquino to take up the challenge of running for the highest position in the land during this difficult period. We thus declare our support for Senator Nonoy Aquino's candidacy for the presidency. We believe that Senator Aquino's integrity and commitment to good governance, his track record as a legislator in human rights and social reform, especially in local governance, will provide the needed leadership for change that the country needs. We believe that we need to change politics in our country now. We cannot allow our country to continue to suffer from politics devoid of integrity, transparency, justice, and concern for the poor. We need change. For change to happen, ordinary citizens, not politicians, must be actively engaged in politics and governance, including supporting reform politicians during their candidacy and when they are in power. For change to happen, change politicians need to step up and demonstrate through public service and leadership for reform in their words and deeds. We are happy and hopeful now that we are able to see the beginnings of the change we aspire for.